Okay, then there are reporting reporting plugins. There are reporting plugins in the maven. For example, the change log, it creates list of recent changes from your SAM. Then changes, it generates a report of issue trackers or change documents. Then change style, check style. Okay, it generates a check style report. Then there is a dope that generates a description of a project, DOAP dope file from mm, POM. Then doc, that is documentation checker plugin. Then Java doc, that we all know, generate the Java doc of the project. JDEP then runs the JDKs, JDApps tools on the project. JXR, it generates a source cross reference. Then the link check, it generates a link check report of your project's documentation. Then there is PMD, it generates a PMD report. Okay, then project info report is there, it generates a standard project report. Then surefire report, okay, it generates a report based on the result of the unit test. Then there are some tools, for example the ant, it generates an ant build file for the project. Then antrum, uh, it runs a set of ant tasks from the phase of build. Okay, archetype, it's generate a skeleton project structure from an archetype, means a starting project. Okay, then assembly, it builds a assembly distribution of sources and or binaries. Then dependency tools are there. Then dependency manipulation, copy, unpack, analysis. Then enforcers are there, environment constraints checking, maven version, JDK, etc. GJP, it creates signature for the artifacts and POM. ठीक है, help, is get information about the working environment for the project. Then invoker is there as a tool. uh, it runs a set of maven projects and verify the output. Then there is jar signer, it signs and verifies project artifacts. Then there is JDPR scan, it runs JDK's JDPR scan tools on the project. There is patch, that use the GNU patch tool to apply patch files resourceful. Then there is PDF, it generates a PDF version of your project's documentation. Then there is plugin, uh, okay, it creates maven plugin descriptor for a measures found in the source tree. Then there is a release tool, release tool releases the current tool, updating the POM and tagging in the SM. Remote resource, copy remote sources to the output directory. Then there is repository, this repository plugin tool is there to help with repository based tasks. Then SCM is there, it execute the SCM command for the current project. Then SCM publish your maven website to a SCM location. Then there is a stage, this assists with release of the staging and promotion. Then there is tool chains, okay, that allow the share of the configuration methods. Okay,